Good afternoon, my viewers, and everybody who's looking at this video today. Uh, this few days, like 2 days back, it's been very, very cold all over the United States. There's a lot of snow, freezing rain, sleet, and the roads are very, very dangerous. Right now, I'm doing this video from my office window, and I'm looking outside the streets. It's a lot of changes which have taken place. A lot of snow, a lot of sleet, but life must continue. So today I just wanted to do a short video. I know it's a tax season for everybody, but this video is going to help the truckers who usually get the 1099 forms so they can use the information to do these kind of taxes. So today I'm going to talk as a CEO of Mogaka Express LLC. Those ones who are out there who know me and they know about my company. So I'm gonna use my company to talk about this video. If you are new to this channel, please, I encourage you to support us. All you have to do is take a minute and click the subscribe button. So you should be very helpful at the end of the day. So let's jump right to it. I have a lot of paperwork here, and I've been working on my taxes. And one of the things and the problems which we do encounter when you are doing the taxes is when you don't have all the paperwork to do your taxes. So those ones who are familiar, you know about the 1099s. And if you ever did a load for a broker or whoever is dispatching you, they are supposed to be giving you the 1099 forms because this is considered as self-employment, and that's how you are supposed to use the information to do your taxes. So by law, you're supposed to be getting these forms by February, by the end of February. So at this time, I'm pretty sure that everybody who's supposed to get that form, they do have that form. But so I'm doing this video if you did not receive the form, because I had one of my subscribers, they asked me, they are not sure where they're supposed to get these forms from. I did respond, but I wanted to do a video for other people who are out there who are thinking about, who are not sure on how to get the 1099 forms. So the 1099s, they come from the brokers, or like I said, from the dispatch, if you are running under somebody's authority, or if you lease your truck to another company. Those are the people who are supposed to generate the 1099 forms and give it to the owner operators. And this shows the summary of all the loads they have done within the time they've been working with you. It can be the whole year, or if they worked for 6 months, then they are supposed to get the totals, total revenue they have corrected in the past 6 months or in the past 1 year. So if by any reason you didn't receive the 1099, these are the 1099s I have here. I'm freeing them over for private reasons. And depending if you did work for 10 companies, or those 10 companies, they're supposed to send you the form. And this is the form you use. But if you don't get them and you want to go ahead and file your taxes, so what you do, or what I usually do, there's a formula I use. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a tax accountant, and I don't file taxes for anybody. So these are my opinions, the way I do it, and so you should be aware. I'm not a licensed accountant to do taxes, but that's the way I do mine. And so when you get these forms, there's a formula I use. So in that way, I figure out how much is the totals for those brokers and dispatch who did not issue the 1099 forms. So what I do, I just find the totals of all the loads I've done. So let's say if the total was $10,000 for the whole year, that's an example. And the brokers who have issued 1099 forms, the total is $5,000. So what I do, I take the total, which is 10,000. The formula is the brokers, the totals, the total revenue minus the total from the brokers who have issued the 1099 forms. If the total is 5,000, so I say 10,000 minus the 5,000, and the total comes 5,000. So this is the total, the total amount of the money from the brokers who did not issue 1099. Because I know brokers like Panther, they used to issue 1099, Express One, Bounce Logistics, but they don't send these forms anymore. But that one should not stop you from filing your taxes. So long as you put all the totals, because what they do when they report these 1099 forms, they retain one copy, send you one copy, and send one copy to IRS. So if you don't file IRS as a copy, which shows that you earned some income and you need to file taxes by law. So that is the formula you need to use. So the total amount of money you made minus the total amount of money you collected from 1099 from the brokers you have received will equal to the amount of money that the brokers who did not send you the 1099 forms. And that's with the way you calculate it. It's very easy. And that's why I wanted to put it out there. But first of all, before you go that far, you need to follow up, because there are some brokers, or if for some reasons you change the address without notifying the brokers, they might send the 1099 forms to a different address. And that one might slow your things, and you are late filing your taxes. So check with them. You can email them or just call them. What I usually do, I just call them direct. I would tell them I haven't received my 1099 forms. If they can send you a copy in PDF, they can email you a copy, or if you did not receive it. And in that way, you can go and check with your accountant and file the taxes without getting raid. So let me know, guys, which questions you have. If you have a question about the 1099, where do you get them from? And what are you supposed to do with them? This is what you need to do. And if you are also an owner operator and you have drivers, they drive for you or they are listed to you, you do need to give them the 1099 forms. Any money which is over $600, you are supposed to report the income. So I hope this video helps you guys out to clear any doubts. And let me know what you think below this video. And I hope you guys I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.